Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Yeedi S14 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, the smart cleaning companion designed to take the hassle out of your daily chores. With powerful suction, advanced mapping, and hands-free dust disposal, it keeps your floors spotless while you sit back and relax. It washes your mop with steaming 167 degrees Fahrenheit water, dries it at 145 degrees Fahrenheit, empties dust automatically, and refills water so you can spend less time cleaning and more time living. Whether it's dust, dirt, or stubborn stains, the Yeedi S14 Plus is ready. All-in-one vacuum and mop, the Yeedi Cube doesn't just vacuum, it mops too. Thanks to its dual-function system, it sweeps up debris and follows with a deep mop to remove fine dust and stains. Perfect for homes with tile, hardwood, or laminate, this two-in-one system ensures thorough cleaning in one go. Easy to clean, easy to maintenance, the detachable base enables users to conveniently perform regular maintenance. Additionally, Yeedi has also designed the inner walls of the wastewater bucket with a polished surface, allowing for easy cleaning with just a simple rinse. One push, quick fix. Whether it's a duplex house or dealing with unexpected stains, just simply pick it up and place it where needed, it will start cleaning for you right away. Yeedi creates a more accurate way compared to zoning on app, ideal for deep and quick mess cleaning. 18,000 pascal suction, goodbye hair hassles, say farewell to pet hair and tangled messes. With 18,000 pascal strong suction and advanced Zero Tangle 2.0 technology, this slim robot glides smoothly under furniture and tight spots, giving your floors a thorough, worry-free clean, perfect for busy days and furry friends. Advanced mapping and navigation. Yeedi's intelligent mapping system uses visual SLAM and LiDAR technology to scan your home in real time. It builds detailed room maps, navigates tight spaces, and avoids obstacles. You can even set no-go zones and clean specific rooms using the app. Customize your cleaning, merge and divide rooms freely, choose cleaning sequence, and more via Yeedi's intuitive app. With a high-capacity battery, Yeedi Cube can clean up to 3,200 square feet on a single charge. If it runs low, it returns to its base, recharges, and resumes cleaning right where it left off. No interruptions, no missed spots. With its intelligent design and powerful performance, the Yeedi S14 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop is more than just a cleaning tool, it's your home's ultimate cleaning partner. Save time, enjoy spotless floors, and let Yeedi do the hard work for you. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.